The GP-1500.4 amplifier by Crunch delivers an impressive power output of 1,500 watts across 4 channels, providing an exceptional audio experience. Its versatility is highlighted by its ability to operate in multiple modes, including 4-channel stereo and various bridged configurations, catering to different audio setups. With a variable electronic crossover offering 12 decibels per octave, this amplifier ensures precise control over audio frequencies for enhanced sound quality. The design of the GP-1500.4 amplifier is both compact and robust, measuring 273 millimeters in length, 203 millimeters in width, and 58 millimeters in height. Despite its powerful performance capabilities, the amplifier remains relatively lightweight at 2,449 grams, making it easy to install in various vehicle types. Crunch, a reputable brand in the audio industry, has crafted the GP-1500.4 amplifier to deliver reliable and high-quality sound for car audio enthusiasts.